The Interactive Voice Response, or IVR menu service, is used to set up navigable menus that can be selected by the origin using telephone signals, DTMF. To access Interactive Voice Response, click on the Services tab and Interactive Voice Response. Click on Create IVR menu. Assign a name. Then click on the list icon to select the number you would like to define as the number to connect to IVR. Click on Initial Announcements to choose your greeting from a defined list that can be customized for your business. Click on Play to preview. Click on the predefined list of menu prompts to choose the messages to come after your greeting. The message can be customized to your business via the Customer Announcements service in the Services dropdown. Then assign programming rules by defining the digit for each prompt. Click on the action that will correspond to each digit. Click the plus button to add more entries if needed. You can also define other rules for how inactivity or invalid options are handled by keeping the defaults or customizing your preferences. Then check on the Active box to activate. Click Save.